नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Ishwar TV, Janashri TV, two-way video conferencing in 22 places in 21 countries around the world as per the statistics. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing: Seattle Chidambaram, Kolim Tiruttani, Charlotte Srisailam, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Hyderabad Nityanandanagaram, Toronto Kailasam, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Houston Kalahasti, Toronto Kailasam, San Diego La Jolla, Pitadishwari's Training Center Salem, Tiruvanmiyur Dhyanapitham, Auckland California, Oman Sivagangai, Jorpati Nepal, Surrey British Columbia, Dubai Vaidyanatham, Grasse France, Bangalore North, East London UK, Indrani New Jersey, Paris Home Temple, Bangalore North, Dakota Dunes, Hong Kong Sirgali, San Jose Madurai and Hyderabad Gupta Kashi. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsava, 6th day. Mahadeva is gracing us with Nityanandeshwari. Today the day is celebrated as Devotees Day. All the 64 Shaiva saints are celebrated with their presence in Tiruvannamalai. Here we are celebrating, is gracing us with Nityanandeshwari. Today I will continue to expand on power of completion and creating a space. Listen. Whenever you create a space, you also create a self-doubt. Because of the self-doubt, you challenge the space you create. Because you challenge the space, you already corrupted the space. The challenging of the space you do because of your earlier failures, because of so many complications. By the time you complete creating the space is polluted and broken. Listen. I am giving you an example. When you create a space to become healthy, for example, you are suffering with certain sickness, you decide to create a space to become healthy. When you create the space to become healthy itself, you will have all self-doubts. Doubt about the power of space and doubt about your ability to create the space properly. These self-doubts, and not only that, because of earlier failures, you wanted to challenge the power of space. That's the most unfortunate thing. Wanting to challenge the power of space. Understand, so first, all these complications in creating a space should be completed. Complete all these complications. Create the space from that completion. So first, spend at least few minutes completely completing, and in that power of completion, please understand, in that power of completion, you will have really, you will have clarity to create a space. Today I will explain and give you the experience of at least making one thought into a space and into a reality. Listen. Take up any one thought, whether you want to become healthy, wealthy, or healed relationships, completion, or you want to enrich, you want to achieve something, you want to be a leader, you want to be a boss. Whatever it is, pick up one idea, one thought, which you wanted to make it as reality. I also have a question. Somebody is asking, Swamiji, don't even know what self-doubt is because it has existed all the time. I feel everybody feels like that only. Whenever anything big is taken up, feels natural. Only when you have not experienced self-doubt, you know you have self-doubt now. Because I have experienced it all the time, never realized when it creeps in, it seems like that is how everybody feels whenever anything is taken up. This question is from Manyanatma? No. What you wrote is not true. In your life also, you have achieved something without self-doubt. Otherwise, you can't even be continuously breathing so many days with that big nose. Even to breathe continuously without a break is taking up something without a self-doubt. Listen, this question, that always self-doubt was part of me, is not right. It is not true. There are many things. Your heart is beating. Do you have self-doubt about it? You are breathing. Do you have self-doubt about it? You are thinking. Do you have self-doubt about it? Then, how can you say, whenever anything big is taken up, self-doubt becomes part? So, making 1,000 lives enriched for the Bali inner awakening, is that more than More difficult than continuously breathing day in and day out for last 30 or any number of years? Anything you mastered becomes involuntary. When you started driving, it was difficult. When you mastered, it became involuntary. So all involuntary things have been mastered by you. There is nothing called involuntary. Everything involuntary, you have mastered it either in this Janma or earlier Janmas. So, creating a right space without self-doubt also has to be mastered, like driving. How many of you know driving cycle, pedaling cycle? Then all of you know. When you started, it was really difficult. You have at least fallen few times and broken your knees, had injuries in the knees. But in few weeks, you master it. You have mastered it. Same way, creating the right space, you need to master it. You need to make an effort. Sit. First thing, the myth you are carrying, it is natural, is wrong. It is not natural. The moment you say self-doubt is natural, you have given a strong foundation to self-doubt. You have given a bigger place for the self-doubt, which is not right. Listen, which is not right. Now, completing with your self-doubt must be the first thing in the life. Completing with the self-doubt should be the basic truth in the life. ध्यान से सुनिए. Please listen. Today, take up any one thought now, whether you want to become healthy or wealthy or content in your relationship or complete with yourself or always being in the space of powerfulness, or you want to enrich this many number of lives for the inner awakening, whatever, or you want to enrich people with this ideas, whatever. Even if you give a meal, annadan, it is enriching with food. If you give a cloth, you are enriching somebody with clothes. Whatever, with whatever you are enriching others, it is enriching. So if you want to enrich, whatever you want to do, make a sankalpa. And I will give you the science of how to make this into reality. It can be any thought. You may want to become a CEO of your office. You may want to be a powerful person. You may want to be successful. Whatever may be your desire. First thing, stop feeling incomplete about what you want. All the incompletions you carry, like example, if you feel you can never become healthy, if you feel you can never have wealth, if you feel you can never become the boss of your office, first complete with that impossibility. The impossibility comes from a deep root patterns. Complete with them. Tell yourself very clearly, there is nothing called impossible. The idea of impossible is sickness. I wanted to call that as impossible syndrome. It is like you using your own power to destroy you. It is like you pay somebody and tell them to conduct a sting operation on you. You pay somebody and tell them to kill you. You pay somebody and tell them to do black magic on you. In Tamil there is a proverb, Sonda kaasala sooniya vechikkirathu. No, the idea of impossibility is you thinking. Something against yourself. Listen. Listen. Sit and complete with that impossibility. Then all the fears about effects and side effects of what you want to make it as reality. Usually when you want to become boss, along with that you will have the fear, oh then I have to work so many number of hours, I have to do this. Fear of the effects and side effects, complete with all of them also. Complete with all that also. Complete with all that. Complete with everything. Then, when you create a space, means when you visualize and say, I am this now, I am healthy now, you will have hundreds of self-doubts, hundreds of doubts about your ability to create the right space. Please understand, first you will have self-doubt, then you will have doubt about your ability to create the space. Complete with that. And now sit with that space. Naturally when you sit with that space you will be so excited, alive. Means the Kundalini is oozing into your thinking, into your feeling. Decide, you will make that Kundalini into reality through your actions. Deciding to make your feeling into action is responsibility. Please listen. Deciding to make your feeling into action is responsibility. The feelings which comes out of completion, when you decide to make them into reality as action, what you are doing is responsibility. That is responsibility. जब आप किसी अंतर आकाश का निर्माण करते हैं, आप आत्म संदेह को भी जीवित करते हैं. जब आत्म संदेह जीवित होता है, तब अंतर आकाश भ्रष्ट हो जाता है. आपकी अतीत की असफलताओं के कारण आप अंतर आकाश की शक्ति को चुनौती देते हैं. इसीलिए पहले अंतर आकाश का निर्माण करने के मार्ग में उपस्थित सभी जटिलताओं के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए. फिर उस पूर्णत्व की शक्ति से स्पष्ट रूप से सही अंतर आकाश का निर्माण कीजिए. सही अंतर आकाश बनाना, इस विज्ञान को हमें सीखना चाहिए. अपने आत्म संदेह के साथ पूर्णत्व करना, ये जीवन का एक मौलिक सत्य होना चाहिए. Now, I give you a few minutes. Sit, close your eyes, pick up that idea you have complete with all that impossibility. अब आंख बंद करके बैठिए और अपने पूरे आत्म संदेह विचारों के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। Gurukul kids, sit straight and close your eyes. Now, complete with all the ideas of impossibility. लगातार अपने पूरे आत्म संदेह विचारों के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। लगातार अपने पूरे असंभव विचारों के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए। Complete with all your self-doubts. Complete with all the earlier lack of integrity you had. inauthenticities you had, irresponsibilities you had. Complete with even the idea you carry that you cannot complete with yourself. Complete with everything, every incompletion. Now, create the right space अपने अतीत से जुड़े हुए पूरे असंपूर्ति, अश्रद्धा, गैर जिम्मेदार और लाभान्वित न करने की विचारधाराओं के साथ, घटनाओं के साथ पूर्णत्व लाइए। आप एक नई अंतर आकाश का निर्माण कीजिए। अब एक नई अंतर आकाश का निर्माण कीजिए जिसमें आप जो चाहे वो सृजन कर सकते हैं। Now create the space for what do you want to achieve, what do you want to make it as reality. Complete with all the doubts you have towards your ability to create the space or towards the possibility of that space becoming reality. Complete with all that. अपने मन चाहा नवी वास्तविकता को सृजन करने के मार्ग में उपस्थित सभी आत्मसंदेह और ये असंभव है जैसे मूल विचारों को के साथ पूर्णत्व लाइए। आपकी इस नवी वास्तविकता को सृजन करने की क्षमता पर अगर आपको कुछ संदेह है तो उस विचार के साथ भी पूर्णत्व कीजिए। I bless you all with my integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Let all our spaces become reality and auspicious. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.